Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg update. And on this Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023, Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you had a great break if you're coming back to work for the first time today. Or if you had to work this whole time, appreciate you working and glad to have you either way here for our update. Let's jump right into it. And we start with that weather, kind of a wacky weather period coming up. Let's take a look at the weather from the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan. And you know when it says jury, to kick things off. Yeah, it's not going to be good, right? So jury pattern over the next few days with chances of rain today and rain drizzle expected to transition over to snow Wednesday and lingering into Thursday before drying out for the end of the week. What will be here is still some, rather, I'm going to say pleasant temperatures for this time, given what we've already had in those very cold temperatures thus far this year. It's going to be at least above freezing if you like the warmer weather this time of year. Either way, plan ahead extra time this week. There were some slick spots, I know, when we were heading into work today. So please be safe out there and check back in with the Weather Service each and every day. And we'll do that here, of course, on our updates. All right, so build a emergency kit, something you could do for the New Year's. Kick off your New Year's right by making sure your family has all the supplies they need in case of an emergency. Have non-perishable foods in your food pantry that can last several days. Get flashlights, radios, extra batteries, and restock your emergency kit. Check it. If you got one, check the dates. Make sure that stuff isn't expired. And of course, you could make one of these for both the home and for your vehicle that you have ready to go in case of an emergency. Turning our attention to holiday tree pickup. Holiday trees will be picked up this week and the week of January 16th. Please have them out at the curb by 6:30 a.m. to learn what is recyclable and how to dispose of it, of other holiday refuse. You can go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. We've got a guide to help you this holiday season. And of course, the full dates on the scheduled pickup for your refuse and recycling, including that holiday tree pickup. All the Feels Winter Reading Challenge is go. That's right. Started on January 1st. Experience all the feels this winter. Learn about the history of emojis, explore the importance of emotions, and discover the fun activities and express yourself fully, all while earning badges on your virtual bingo card. Earn fun emoji-themed badges for logging your reading, completing activities, and submitting book reviews, and earning bingo. That's right. Fill in the entire card to earn a free book. Be sure to pick up your prizes before the program ends. Program runs to February 28th. Badger Prairie Needs Network cancels its community meal coming up this weekend. It says here, we have decided to cancel the January 7th community meal to reduce community spread of both COVID and flu viruses. Note that the pantry will remain open and masks are being distributed as people enter the facility. We will try to keep the lobby coolers stocked with grab-and-go meals this upcoming Saturday. Bus safety reminders as your kids kids are heading back into school. Want to make sure you remember to stay safe when it comes to our buses. Kids are back in school after the holiday break. That means there are more buses will be on the road this week. Remember the differences between the different warning lights. Amber warning lights. A school bus is about to stop if you see those flashing, and soon will be activating its red warning lights. So drivers should slow down and be prepared to stop. Red lights, that means stop at least 20 feet from the bus, whether you're approaching from either direction. The only exception is if you are on the opposite side of a divided roadway separated by a median or other physical barrier. So we have a couple of roadways that there is a painted median. That would not be a case where you could pass the bus in the other lane that'd be coming towards the bus. You would need to stop. Either way, you need to stop, give plenty of distance, and do the right thing. Know the difference. And let's keep all of our kiddos safe and continue to have a safe school year. You have a safe, great Tuesday. We'll see you back here at 6.